It's been a hell of a week, guys. Sorry for that. Been working like hell, but I didn't do so much. Um, Actually, I just took off some bolts a little bit underneath the car, and well, the plan is I'm not gonna film that because it's long and it's boring for you guys. I'm just gonna take off the line and I'm just gonna continue cleaning underneath. And this weekend, I hope I'll have time to repair that little spot and clean the interior and give it a good coat of paint. So, see you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. So, I spent a good hour on it, but I saved it. Yeah, wow, it's upside down. This straight part goes up front. And this goes across the rear frame rail. So I just cleaned it up with gasoline and a little 120 grit. But in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow, I don't know, I'll buff it real nice and I'll put some clear on it to make it look brand new and original. So that's it. Now it's 11:30. I'll go to bed. Night night, guys. So third evening. There you go. Parking brake cables are off. Gas line are off. And brake lines are off. But I wasn't able to save that one. The fitting was stuck as hell, so that's it. So now it's time to attack that little hole here. So let's get started. So holes are fixed here, but I had a little surprise. As you can see from here, look at that pile of rust. I forgot to check before, because all of those, especially those A-body right here, humidity and water go under the spare tire, and they're not able to. It's not able to run off by those water plug there. So it was all rusted, and I saw it because the metal was so thin. I had some humid spot around it, so I just started to grind it a little bit, and it was shut like that. I'm going there. Oh, sorry, it's a mess here, but it's not always gonna be like that. Don't worry, guys. So that was a metal underneath. So it's a chance that I saw it, and I went on the metal fab. I built this replace part, and I chose some weld-through primer, copper weld-through primer, and I'm gonna weld it here like that. I'm gonna weld it and put the spot weld here, and it's gonna be nice. And I was able to keep the original here. Stuff to see, guys. Here, oh, and here, the original spot weld. So I'm gonna finish this tonight. That's my goal for tonight. And if I can start to clean that, and by the weekend, if I can clean all the underneath of the car, I would be really, really happy. Because I want to throw the paint on it as soon as possible, and I want to put the rear end back on. So it's been 4 weeks that I wanted to do it, so it's coming. All right, guys, let's do this. Just want to make sure to have a nice paint prep. Okay. For body work, outside body work, I use a high-tack clothing with the fast clean, but this is only the spare tire, so it's only for primer, so I don't mind. But yeah, best thing would be to use high-tack whole thing. Make sure to get rid of all the dirt and everything. Oh, that's it. And just make sure. So this product, Eastwood epoxy primer, we'll talk about it. We'll talk a little more about it later. As you can see, the mixing here is a 1-to-1 ratio, but I'm using those fast little cup here, so this stays always clean. You put this in your painting cup, and well, for a 1-to-1 ratio, I'm just going to use here the equal part 1-to-1. I'll try like that. Always use a nice filter. Look how thick is this thing. It's really awesome. C4 activator. It's sort of 1-to-1 part A, part B. So that's it. Nighty night, guys. So sorry it's been a long time. I did some tests tonight, so here's the result. I used the Eastwood Black Epoxy Primer. Looks neat, eh? You see my patch here a little bit, okay? And a little rust. Dots like that. So what I'm gonna do, when it's gonna be dry, I'm gonna scuff it up a little bit and put some high build urethane, or probably high build polyester primer. You know, a thick coat. It's gonna look good, you know. And I just tried it here on the fender because I want to pass the inspection and I want to drive the car. So what I'm thinking is finishing the underneath of the car and the rest of the car, just like throw a good coat of primer on it so it looks clean, and drive it all the summer, and we'll see. All right. And so if you like that, sorry it's been a real long time I didn't came on the channel. Actually had some health issue a little bit, but everything's fine now. And no, sorry, I didn't, like I told you guys, I worked like hell. I didn't have time to come and work on the car. So we hired 2 other guys, so I'm gonna be able to work more in the shop a little bit, and that's it. So if you like what you've seen, please comment, give your opinion, subscribe, and like. That would be awesome, guys. So I'm gonna try my best to come as soon as possible with another video. Tomorrow is Sunday, but it's Mother's Day, so I don't know if I'm gonna work on the car, but I'm gonna do my best. So next step, polyester primer and single stage plum crazy right in the trunk. See you guys. Have a nice night. It's midnight here, so it's time to go to bed.